Come and join us.
Here's a little song I wrote.
Yeah. Don't worry.
Be happy.
All right, guys. Well, Happy New Year. I know we finally made it on, the last week of January. So we hope that so far your 2020 is off to a rockin' start. Don't we? Maybe. Yeah. It's gone by fast already. We've been...
It's almost Christmas, everybody!
No, it isn't. It's almost Valentine's Day. Yeah, but we can't talk about that yet.
It's too soon?
Yeah, it's too soon.
What about Christmas?
That's way too soon.
Way too soon.
Way too soon, yes. So have you guys missed us? I know we've missed you all. We've missed doing this.
You all.
Y'all?
Y'all.
Y'all.
Need
We've missed all y'all.
oils.
Yeah, y'all. See? Y'all need oils.
You pointing at me?
No, see? Back there.
Where?
It's backwards though, but...
Oh, we should have put it the other way around, huh?
Oh, we should have... I guess that might take a little time to try to write.
All right, everybody, we're going to come back to y'all in 10 minutes. We're going to fix the sign.
Nah.
No.
No, we're not. All right, so...
Are we? Are we done?
No, we can fix it for next time, or we'll just put something else on there.
Are we going to start talking about the oils now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah. Have you been noticing that maybe you're sniffling and sneezing a lot lately? I know down here in South Texas, cedar is pretty bad. So...
How bad is it?
Well, let's just say I used to get so sick with cedar fever that I'd be really sick.
You can't get worse than that.
I know, right? Yeah. So, yeah, but luckily I've found something that has worked for me. I know, and we're going to talk about some simple ways that have helped us manage our allergies during different times of the year. So whether you suffer from seasonal issues or dust in the home, I mean, whatever it is, there's something that may help you. And these are some of the things that have helped us. And this is kind of like a go-to. These three things, they work well together. So who doesn't love lavender? Lavender. This is a simple go-to one that you can start off with just by itself.
If you shake it more, they'll be able to read it.
My sister, she's allergic to cats, and I happen to have 3 cats. So when she comes over, she puts lavender, Young Living's lavender essential oil around her nose and just kind of breathes it in.
So can we pour it on the cats to keep from getting allergic to them? Just curious. I mean, probably solve a lot of things instead of having to do it daily.
You could put it on the cats, but no, that's not gonna.
Then they won't be allergic to other cats.
Oh my gosh.
Didn't know.
Oh my goodness. So yeah, lavender's a simple one to start off with, and definitely.
We've lost all of our viewers.
That's okay. Well, I guess they don't like what we're talking about.
That's right. They don't like our cats.
Lemon. Yep. Lemon is another great one that you can use just by applying the lavender and the lemon together with this number 3 oil. It's not that it's number 3 on the list, but it's the 3rd oil that you could use together. So peppermint, and peppermint is great to open your airways. So that's why it helps too. So...
Let's see if you can handle it.
I know. Oh, I should have gotten the small bottle still.
I'm afraid.
To hold.
Oh. They washed
Wait.
Oh, hey.
Oh.
Okay, I think they get it.
So these 3 together are the bomb. This is all you need, or is what has helped us with simple annoyances during the year. So lemon, lavender, and peppermint.
I hate annoyances.
I know. Well, I don't think you've really used these that much, like I used to. I used to use these a lot.
No, but I do use.
I know. What is something else that we like to make?
I don't know. What's that concoction
That
you make? I use that all the time.
Yeah.
It's money.
So this is something that we use pretty much almost every day, especially during these times of the year. So this is a fun little bottle that you can get online. I got them on Amazon. They're little
quick plug
nasal.
For Amazon.
I know. They're little nasal sprayers. I didn't know if you could see the spray.
You just wasted 2 sprays.
So we make this nifty nasal spray that has really helped us with the seasonal issues that go on throughout the year. I know the next phase of allergens that comes out that really affect me is the oak. And that's next to come up here.
Do you keep track of them?
Well, it's always the same every year. For me, cedar, oak, and ragweed. Oh, and grass.
I hate grass.
Hi, Heidi. So this is mainly what we use all the time. And so we make this. So it's a mixture of pure Himalayan pink sea salt, just a pinch of it.
Which you can get at your local grocery store.
Yes, but do read the labels and make sure you're getting a pure, good quality product.
Should be the first and only ingredient, really, if you ask me.
Yep. We put frankincense in there. This is just a great oil for pretty much everything. And your Swiss Army knife of oils, lavender. We put lavender in there also.
There's a Swiss Army knife in there?
There is.
Now you know.
Heidi, what kind of grass do you use all the time?
I use grass all the time. All right, we're going to Heidi's right after the show.
So yeah, all it is just a pinch of the pink Himalayan sea salt.
1 pinch.
A few drops. If you want the recipe, just message me and I'll give it to you. Some lavender.
Otherwise, it's a secret.
It's my secret.
It's not a secret.
I'm just kidding. It's not a secret.
Does my hair look okay?
Some lavender and some frankincense, and then top it off with distilled water. And there you go. You've got your own little nasal saline spray with oils that really does help.
Oh, it helps amazingly. I love it.
I know sometimes I'll hear him sniffling and I'll ask him, did you spray your nose today?
And I'll respond with an answer.
It's usually no. And then he goes and he gets the nose spray.
Wait a minute. I know to use it now.
Do you?
That was at the beginning.
You sure?
Yeah. Yesterday.
Right.
What are you smiling at me for?
Because I can.
Oh, hi.
I know. Look, did you see? Heidi said she thought we'd get a kick out of what she said.
Oh, okay.
We'll be coming over later, Heidi.
I already said that.
I know. Well, I'm just reiterating it.
Riding on my coattails with all my funny comments.
Oh my goodness. All right. So, yeah, that's 2 simple ways to... I was wondering what
we
that
heard
was.
some running water.
For a second, I thought
our
one of the
child
dogs.
has decided to take her shower of the week.
Oh my gosh.
There goes our water bill.
Wow. All right. So, yeah, those are some simple things that you could do to help during the seasonal changes.
What else could they do? I mean, can we give them some other suggestions? Like, do we have Raven or anything?
Well,
Raven?
we can only kind of tell them what works for us.
But that's what I mean. Raven and RC works for us.
Oh, I didn't grab the Raven.
But the RC's right there.
I know. So this is one that I definitely love to use. RC, if my chest feels kind of tight, if my ears feel kind of clogged.
Plugged up, as I'd say.
Yeah. I like to use the RC essential oil blend. And it just really helps me instead of reaching for, well, I don't have any other medicines in my house anymore except for oils. So
no OTC, right?
yeah. I don't have any OTCs in the house anymore. So.
We got OTC over the cabinets.
Oh,
got them.
boom, boom. Oh my goodness. I think we're kind of rusty. It's almost been a month.
You're rusty.
I'm rusty. All right, so RC's another great one that I like to use.
That's right. Show them the instructions on the back.
So, yep. Great one to use for different issues. I mean, we even have whole bunch of other things you can use too. Here's a great one that you can have with you, carry it around. It's called Breathe Again.
But this is what we use.
Yeah. It's a roll-on, so all you have to do is just roll it around your nose. You can roll it over your forehead.
Take a roll.
You need a roll?
Wait.
And then just rub it in with your finger. Oh my goodness. Crazy. Crazy. Yeah. So we have all different types of options. So we have found what works for us. Definitely. Oh, it smells so good.
It does.
So, yeah, there's plenty of options there. If there's something that has worked for us but doesn't work for you, we have other choices as well.
Yeah, and shout out what works for y'all. Let us know, man. If y'all got some secret you're not telling us.
Yeah. What helps you with your allergies? Let us know. Put it in the comments below. And, of course, we wouldn't be on here without giving a little back to y'all that are supporting us as we come live with our little shenanigans. And
we're still doing Christmas giveaways?
Our little bits of info here and there. Well, it's not Christmas anymore.
Almost.
Oh, my gosh. How about Happy January giveaway?
Happy end of January.
I know.
11 months to Christmas.
But, I mean, since we've seen, people on Facebook commenting about how they're sick and all this, I figured, hey, why don't I give something away that could possibly help somebody? Something that has helped us.
I'm tearing up right now. I'm just excited.
You're excited? All right, so who wants to win a little roller bottle of the essential oil blend that I mix up? And it's great for the seasonal annoyances. So I'm going to put lavender, peppermint, and lemon, and it makes up the bomb roll-on.
So no frankincense in that?
Me, I want to win it.
No frankincense in that. Just a simple lemon, lavender, peppermint, the bomb roller bottle. So all you have to do to be in the drawing to win this little roller bottle is
say, I want the bomb.
I want the bomb.
I want the bomb, or give me the bomb, or put a bomb emoji.
Or drop the bomb on me.
Oh my God. So, all right. I know for Christmas, we were doing the Christmas countdown, and we were coming live every day for the month of December.
And we got a lot of reviews and said you didn't want to see us anymore.
Oh, that's not true.
That's not true? I thought that's what you said.
No, people were messaging us asking where we were, if we were going to come back live. And I said, yeah, we are.
We're here.
And we are here. Here we are. Yay.
You can't get rid of us.
I know. Sorry, guys. We're here to stay.
We're coming into your homes.
Oh, my goodness. I know. Like we said, y'all need oils. So drop the bomb in the comments, and we'll see who will win the bomb rollerball to help you through these seasonal changes. So we'll announce that tomorrow, but instead of coming live every day, because that's hard work.
You just have to look back at the live.
Yeah. And you can comment if you're watching the replay too. So when are we going to announce this winner?
How about Sunday during the Super Bowl?
Yeah, right.
I'm just kidding.
We're really going to take that long? I was saying like tomorrow.
What's tomorrow?
Tomorrow is
Wednesday.
Yeah, tomorrow's Wednesday.
She's confused.
I know. I'm sorry. Shane is draining his ear as we speak.
Oh.
Wow.
I hope you're using the oils, my friend.
I know. You need some oils. Definitely.
But I believe his sister has some, but we'd love you to be on our team. Just kidding.
Oh my goodness. So again, to win that bomb rollerball, to help you, just drop the bomb in the comments. Either comment with the bomb or drop the bomb.
Mention bomb however you want to say it.
Bomb, bomb, bomb.
Bomb, bomb.
They're probably gonna like cancel this live.
Because we've said bomb
Yeah.
too many times.
Oh my goodness. Don't mind us. It's been a long day. All right. Anything else? Oh, we'll announce the winner tomorrow evening. So be on the lookout.
Around this same time. How does that sound? Gives everybody 24 hours to watch the shenanigans.
Yeah. Yeah, but you have to comment with the bomb.
One more time, what if they comment with the bomb?
Hey, that's another one. We didn't say that one before.
Well, it's up to them to say whatever they want.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
I know. And then we'll go live again next week for a new topic. So see you then.
Bomb diggity. Just saying.
No doubt. All right. Y'all have a great rest of your week. We'll announce the winner tomorrow evening, but we'll see you next week. And happy Super Bowl. Who are you going for?
Cowboys!
Oh my gosh.
Cowboys!
Jason
Garrett!
Oh. Well, I am going to go for Kansas City Chiefs.
Gopher?
Yeah.
Who's a gopher?
All right.
You like Mahomes.
Good night, y'all. Well, he did go to Texas Tech. You know that?
Oh. I don't know.
You didn't know that?
Yes, I knew that.
Oh, okay.
Toodles.
All right. Y'all have a great evening and continue having fun draining your ears, Shane.
Yeah, all right.
We'll see you guys next week. Good night.